Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is JuJu. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and click that little subscribe button at the bottom. Also, here's a little secret. You can also hit that bell button to know when your girl upload videos. However, let's go ahead and get started with this video. Today I will be talking about the one and only keto diet. Let me say that again. Keto diet. Let's get right into it. So in order to know about the keto diet, or what we do, how we do it, what's the in and out of this, you have to know the root of it all. What is keto? What is the root word? Ketosis. What is ketosis? Okay, so I'm going to let you know what it is. You are going to be seeing me looking down. That's because I am looking at my handy dandy notebook. So you guys just know I'm going to be looking down at my notebook so I can give you all the details, all the facts on where I began, how it started, how I take myself out and in ketosis, and what I lost. What is keto or ketogenic or ketosis? Here it is. Ketogenic is a very low carb, high fat diet that's similar to the Atkins and low carb diet. It involves drastically reducing carbohydrates intake and replacing it with fat. The reduction in carbs put your body into a metabolic state called ketosis. When this happens, your body becomes incredibly efficient at burning fat for energy. It also turns the fat into ketones in the liver, which can supply energy for the brain. So there we have it. That is what ketosis, ketogenic is altogether. Now, I like to categorize it as a high fat, medium protein, and then low carbs, basically. So I struggled with weight for forever. I graduated high school in 2012, and your girl was huge, okay? And it was like, what do I do? How do I get this weight off me? I tried different diets. I tried only eating fruit. That didn't work out. I fast here and there, but to me, I don't feel like doing a water fast is gonna do anything, because yes, you lose all the weight, but then when you start back eating, you're gonna blow right back up. So that didn't work. Between birth control and I started doing weightlifting, that was stupid. I blew up like a big well in my eyes. Although, you know, everybody say to you, oh, you look cute, you look fine. You know what you want to look like. You know how confident you feel in your body. You know when you put them jeans on and your stomach is hanging over, it's not gonna mix, okay? So I started working out. Didn't know what I was doing. Didn't know what exercise, like what machines to get on. I didn't know anything about it. So I'm just working out, still not eating the right way. Or I'll be eating the right way, not working out. So it's just a battle. It's just a battle. So I started researching the diet. Like I said, I was supposed to start in December, November, but I just wasn't ready. I researched it. I said I was going to start, and then realized you don't even have food in your refrigerator. So how do you expect to start anything without the right food, without you believing that God is going to walk you through this path of trying to lose this weight? It's not going to work out, sis. So I did what I had to do. February the 8th, I started working out. I filled up my refrigerator with different things that I found on Instagram, online to eat, make, or whatever. My favorite recipe is this right here, which is the spinach parmesan chicken. I love making that. It was also, now I'm like on this cabbage, oddly. I actually made a video about it, so that will be coming out soon. And I made some cauliflower fried rice. Yum. So those are my different to-go meals. It's good to have them prepped at times because the way my work is, I am a rideshare driver, so I drive for Lyft. What's up to my Lyft drivers, my Uber drivers? We be out here all day, all night. So it's not like I can just go and take my food to work and warm it up in the refrigerator. Like, no, that's not how it's gonna work out. It's not realistic. So to just take a break and come home and put it in the microwave, bam, bam, we're easy to go. It's good. It works for me. It works for the people like myself. Let's talk about the keto flu. Yes, you will go through the keto flu because your body is trying to flush out all of the sugars that you once had, those sodas that you were drinking, the candy, the chips, all of that. It's gonna go through keto flu and you're gonna feel very, very, very sick. And some people throw up. For me, it was bad. It wasn't extremely bad because I looked online to see what can help me go through this process. And of course they said potassium, sodium, and magnesium vitamins. So I ended up getting the potassium and magnesium. Somehow I could not find sodium vitamins. So I'm gonna put those up here so you can see the ones that I got. I think I got them from Walmart. Yes, they worked for me. I put them in a whole Monday, Sunday, 7-day week thing like I'm an old person, like a pill popper. But you need those in your life. Trust me, it's going to work for you. Trust your girl. Okay. So the pros, you lose your appetite. And it's a good thing because you don't crave what you used to crave. You stop craving all of the chips, the potatoes, the pasta. That was my favorite meal. A chicken Alfredo. I can fix that up real quick. We go out to eat. I'm having chicken Alfredo. I have no desire for chicken Alfredo at this point. Although I'm sure it would be good. I don't have a craving for it, which is so weird because like I said, that was my favorite food was chicken Alfredo. But ever since I've been on this diet, I mean, it's different things that you crave now. I crave cabbage. I've been eating cabbage for 3 weeks now. And I mean, of course, I cook every 2-3 days. But in order for me not to drink only water, of course, no sodas, I drink ice, sparkling water. Boop. This water, let me tell you, is the shit. I love this water. Love the water. And you know, it has no sugar, no calories, so it is bomb. I tried the worst thing ever. If you seen my ASMR video, that was like beyond nasty. Okay, it was like you made some Kool-Aid and you forgot everything, and all you need is water and sugar. You forgot everything. But with this ice, girl, sis, you got everything in there all in one. So there was this thing called the Keto Pocketbook. Now, apparently it's supposed to, because you're on keto, your pH balance is so off and everything is just nasty, stinking, blah, blah, blah. Honestly, I feel like that's a myth to just keep you away from trying to be on a keto diet. I have not experienced it. And it's different ways to keep yourself, your pH balance on point. Hello, alkaline water, pH balanced water. There are different things to still keep you where you're supposed to be. And I hate the fact that it came out because my brother and my sister decided, oh, let me send this to you because you're on the keto diet. Like, goodbye. Your girl is still fresh and everything else. Thank you, though. Thank you for caring. Let's just get right into me and what happened with me. So your girl was 170 pounds. That was my highest ever weight. I am officially down 155 pounds. The first 2-3 weeks, I end up losing 10 pounds, which of course they say that is the water weight. I don't care what nobody say, I lost those pounds. And then, of course, I end up losing 5 other pounds. So, I say at times I only really lost 5 pounds. My goal, I really don't have a set goal, because at 140, you can look really good. At 150, you can look really good. It all depends on where that weight went. Did it go to your stomach? Did it go to your thighs? Did it make you thicker? You get what I'm saying? Like, my 150 or 145 can be somebody else 145 and she looking bang. So it's not so much about what my weight loss goal is. It's about how I feel on the inside, how I feel on the outside. What did I actually lose? Because my target to lose is my arms and my abdominal. What I have lost mostly was my butt and my stomach. Now, you know, I feel some type of way about that, because I was hoping that I stay thick. Now I'm like slim thick, and I don't mean slim in the up here. I mean slim, my butt, hips, waist, all of that. I feel wonderful. I will show before pictures of different. My back fat has gotten smaller. I love that about myself. The workouts that I do a HIIT, which is high intensity interval. I'll do 30 minutes cardio on the treadmill. Now I have to switch it up, because like I said, me doing HIIT has made my butt say bye-bye. So I have to switch up some different things about what I do at the gym, because first I wanted to lose my weight, and then like doing cardio and everything, and then turn over to weightlifting to build muscle up. It is a work in progress, but am I happy? I absolutely am very happy. I look great. My clothes fit differently. I have energy. I can walk up steps and not feel tired. I love going to the gym. Not that I hate it. It's just when I go to the gym, and I'm sure most people can relate, when I go to the gym, it's like me getting away from the real world. You don't have any worries. You don't think about different things that happen in real life. You know, at that moment, it's all about you getting yourself together, making yourself feel happy, getting the confidence that you need. That's how I look at it. So that's all, folks. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped a lot, because for me, I went searching. On to my next video, you will see me cooking some keto cabbage. So I hope you guys like that video, and stay tuned. Bye.